Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Ardell press-on nails. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Let's start the video. I'm going to be prepping my nails and getting them ready to apply the press-on nails. The first thing I'm going to be doing is cutting my nails. I'm going to be trimming my nails. This is going to help the press-on nails last longer and not grow out as fast. Also, since these nails are almond shaped, you want to cut the corners of your nails down so you cannot see your real nail under the fake one. Okay, here are the nails I got at Target for $7.99. I was looking at the Kiss nails and I seen these and I didn't even know Ardell had nails, so I was really impressed by how pretty they were. They had a lot of different versions of press-on nails and they were all super pretty and looked professional. Okay guys, here are the nails, and the nails came with a double-sided file, a cuticle tool, glue, and of course the nails. And the extra nails come in a little zip baggie, and I really like that because you don't have to worry about the nails flying everywhere when you open the box. You can keep them all together and not lose any. Next, I'm going to be pushing back my cuticles with the tool that came with the nails. I think this will help with applying your nails. You can apply them way easier and they'll possibly last longer. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other hand. The file is double-sided. The dark blue is a more rougher side and the pink is more gentle. I am going to be using the dark rough side, and I'm going to be filing my nail tips so there are no rough edges. Mainly I'm going to be focusing on the corners of my nails so my real nail won't be visible under the fake ones. I'm just going to be doing that to all of my nails. The file is kind of flimsy, but it works really well. You could probably use it a couple more times, but I don't think it would last much longer than that. The file is made to be used for just this one time, but I definitely think you could keep using it if you wanted. Now I'm going to be using the pink side to rough up my nails. This will help give the glue something to stick to, and it will last longer before falling off. I am only lightly pressing down and running the file over my whole nail. Make sure to be careful and not push down too hard or file too much and damage your nail. I'm going to be dumping all the nails into a pile and start matching the nails to the size of my real ones. The nails are numbered on the inside, so once you find your match, you can easily look for the mate to it by looking at the numbers. To match the nails to your real ones, you can hold it up to your real nail. I like to hold up all the size options there are for that nail and then choose the best option. I have noticed that there are more nail size options than most other press-on nail brands that I have tried. Also, they have two design options for a couple different nails. Once I picked my nails, I'm going to be putting all the extra nails into that little zip bag and keep them in case I lose a nail and want to glue one of these on. Having the little zip baggie is super handy. Okay, now moving on to gluing the nails on. You want to make sure you cover your nail, but also make sure you don't apply too much glue. If you apply too much glue, you can push glue into your cuticles and cause a mess when applying the nail. Also, when you're applying the nail, you want to make sure it's not crooked because this glue dries super fast, so you won't be able to move it after you place it. Also, you notice I am holding the nail down for 5 to 10 seconds. This is just going to secure the nail and make sure the glue is fully dried. So I really like this glue. This is probably the best nail glue I've ever tried. I'm not sure if you can buy the nail glue separately without having to buy a nail kit or not, but if you could, I definitely would, and I would start using this glue all the time. The nails instantly stick to the glue and hardens. I don't even think I would have to hold it down for that 5 to 10 seconds, but I'm going to continue doing that just to be safe. I'm only 2 nails in and I'm very impressed by this glue. It can definitely get hard to keep gluing nails on after you've already glued the nails on your main fingers that you're using, so don't be like me and glue those nails last so you're not struggling. So I'm just going to be repeating all those same steps and glue on the rest of my nails. The quality of these nails are great. They look and feel very natural, if that makes sense. The nails feel really durable and the shape of the nails are perfect. I definitely will try these nails in another style. These nails look so pretty and professional. Honestly, if you didn't know, they look like I just went to a fancy nail salon and got them done. Okay guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.